Okay, so in this problem, we are saying that the area of an equilateral triangle increases by 3 root 3 square meter when the length of each side increases by 1 meter. Find the length of the side of the triangle. Okay, so here we're talking about an equilateral triangle. This problem, so like I have said in the earlier cases as well, so when you see this sort of problem, so try to visualize this thing. Let's say this is the equilateral triangle. Okay, there's another one. Okay, so basically this is our equilateral triangle, the inside one. This is the one we are working with. We know the area of this is 3 root 3, and when this triangle is increased by no sorry the area of the area of this triangle is increased by 3 root 3 square meter when we convert this smaller triangle into this one. That means when the length of each side increases by 1. So if the length of this triangle is A, the inner one, the outer one should be A plus 1. Simple logic. Just consider the side of each side of this equilateral triangle, which is inside, as A. So if it's A, then when it will be increased by 1 meter, the length of the equilateral triangle would be A plus 1. So we know that in equilateral triangle, all the sides are similar. So if it's A plus 1, this will also be A plus 1, this will also be A plus 1. So this is the basic structure of this problem. Okay, now let's do the problem. So the area of the triangle before it is increased, it should be equal to root 3 by 4 A squared. Okay, after increment by 1 meter on each side, the area becomes root 3 by 4 A plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now, according to the question, we know that the area was, when the length of the triangle was increased by 1 meter, the area of the bigger triangle increased by 3 root 3 centimeter. That means if we subtract the area of this triangle from the area of this triangle, we will find out the value of so that should be equal to 3 root 3. Okay, so let's try to figure out the value of A using the conditions above. So this should be equal to 3 root 3. This is what we know according to the question. Okay, now root 3 by 4, take it as common. Okay, so A plus 1 whole square minus A square is equal to 3 root 3. So a square plus 2a plus 1 minus a square is equal to, take this thing on the right hand side, 12. This a square and a square will be cancelled because plus minus, so it will cancel. 2a plus 1 is equal to 12. 2a is equal to 11. A is equal to 5.5. So the length of triangle is 5.5 meters. Sorry, okay, so this is basically how we have to solve this problem. If we in this problem, it's important that we visualize the problem. Okay, so it's give you a upper hand. Otherwise, this is very easy problem. According to the question, you have to solve this and figure out the value of E, which is the side of the triangle. Which triangle? This triangle. The triangle before increment. Okay, that's it.